you could create stunning, professional-quality kids' designs in just minutes without ever touching complicated software, hiring a freelancer, or spending a dime on design tools. Introducing KiddoCraftAI, the world's first AI-powered design app made exclusively for kids-focused businesses, teachers, parents, and digital entrepreneurs. Let's face it, creating high-quality, child-friendly designs is expensive, time-consuming, and overwhelming. You need skills, software, and sometimes a whole design team. That's not just frustrating, it's limiting. Meanwhile, the kids' design industry is booming, with thousands of creators cashing in on everything from kids' party printables to educational activity books. So why should you miss out? That's why we built KiddoCraftAI, a beginner-friendly, AI-powered platform that lets anyone create kids' designs in just minutes. No design skills, no coding, no monthly fees, just pure creativity at your fingertips. From playful logos, eye-catching packaging, colorful invitations, printable activity sheets, and even merch designs, KiddoCraftAI gives you everything you need to create, sell, and profit from kids' designs. Fast. With 35+ high-demand categories, there's no limit to what you can create. With our beginner-friendly platform, there is zero learning curve, zero technical skills, budget, or tools required. Get started with KiddoCraftAI in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and access your dashboard. No downloads, no complicated setup. Simply log in and you're inside your very own AI-powered design studio. Step 2. Choose design category and create. Choose the design category you want to create. We have tons of design categories. Give the AI instructions, and in seconds, your design is ready. Step 3. Export, sell, and profit. Download your finished designs instantly, sell them online or offline, and start growing your kids' design business today. Here's what you can create inside KiddoCraftAI. Branding and logos. Instantly craft playful, trust-building logos for toy stores, daycares, kids' products, and more. Packaging and labels. Design vibrant, fun labels for snacks, drinks, crafts, you name it. Promotional materials. Flyers, brochures, and banners designed to wow both kids and parents. Interior and signage. Welcome signs, menus, display boards, bring any space to life. Event designs. Make birthdays, baby showers, and school events unforgettable. Educational materials. Flashcards, activity sheets, coloring books. Learning has never looked this fun. Merchandise designs. T-shirts, mugs, tote bags. Get creative with memorable merch. Digital printables. Generate unlimited digital content you can sell, gift, or use in your classroom. Here's why KiddoCraftAI is hands down the best kids design platform on the market today. Create simplicity. Zero learning curve. Commercial license included. Sell your designs right away. No extra fees. Instant export in multiple formats. Ready to print, share, or sell. Studio quality templates. Designed to meet real-world demand in education, e-commerce, and events. One-time investment. Get lifetime access with zero monthly fees. Every design you create can be sold as a physical or digital product. Sell on Etsy, Amazon KDP, or even to your local schools and stores. This is a powerful tool built for income generation, not just creativity. The kids' design market is evergreen, growing, and hungry for fresh content. Whether it's back-to-school season, holiday events, or year-round learning tools, the demand never stops. Now is the perfect time to tap into this booming space with a tool that gives you everything you need, without the tech headaches or steep learning curve. So if you're ready to unlock unlimited creativity, generate multiple income streams, and build a kids' design brand you're proud of, then now's the time to get started. Click the button below to get instant access to KiddoCraftAI and start creating stunning kids' designs in minutes. No design skills needed, no subscriptions, no outsourcing, 100% beginner-friendly. Just one idea, one printable, one product can change everything. And with KiddoCraftAI, creating it is just a click away. KiddoCraftAI, where creativity meets simplicity. Let's create something amazing together.